Good evening, this is Todd Schultz, and this is my introduction for EDL 952, Trends and Practices in District Administration. I have been in education now for 13 years. I started after my bachelor's degree from kind of KU and Wichita State combined. I started in the Whitewater-Remington School District doing 5 through 12 band. I was there for 6 years, and during that time I started my pursuits in a master's degree, and I always continued teaching while obtaining my master's degree either in the summer or online, and that was from K-State. And then I moved to Rose Hill School District, also teaching 5 through 12 band, where I started my master's degree in building administration, and that was from Fort Hays State University, which is now where I am pursuing the district administration degree, or hours rather, for that licensure. So I've been doing 5 through 12 band everywhere I've gone, and this is my first year now in the Wichita School District teaching 6 through 8 strings only. A little bit about me. I am a father of a daughter, and I have a wife, and we have dogs, and we like to travel a lot, especially to France because that is where my wife is from. Why district administration for me is so important? Because as my time as a band director, I really felt the importance of having a face of a program and really using that to assist the students and better their involvement in the school and the community. And I see the district and building administrations as ways to do that for the community at large, being the face of the district, getting to work with the entire population of the community, not just one classroom or group of parents. I think that it's the best way to have a real impact on kids across grade levels. For the professional trends questions, I really am interested in this class because I think there's a lot of trends going on right now, and I'm also in the finance class. I'm seeing a lot of money being spent on athletic facilities, and that is partly due to public pressure and keeping up with neighboring districts, is my assumption. But I'm also interested to see where we can see more growth in other less influential aspects of the student body programs like fine arts, seeing facilities improve there and equipment purchases included in that. I think that growing those two things equally is the best way to help all students engage in the school environment. So that's a little bit about me and my goals for this class. So glad to meet you guys, and I look forward to learning together. Thank you.